fuel tank. So this is my
to definitely not pro, but definitely trying my best, or trying to not break anything anymore. Either or. Alright, so I disconnected the linkage to this faulty lock. Now I'm trying to figure out how the heck to get it out. Let's put this bad boy over here with these two guys. You guys can be friends. How the heck do you get this out? Got to drop. If it drops, does it go down? Maybe the window got to go up. No, that doesn't work. Alright, glass out of the way. Hopefully that will not break anything. Where's it hitting on the bottom? Can't feel anything. Can you feel it? All in these eyes tonight. Oh no. Is this gonna stay in forever? Maybe. This bad boy. Come on. Come on, son. Son, this hook. This hook. Making some progress. Well, won't you just listen? I'm just trying to get you out, and then we can talk about it, okay? Makes it so much easier with all this linkage in the way. Ah, fingers stuck. Come on, please. Ah, shit. Ah, fingers not stuck. Maybe I should just cut a bigger hole. Oh my goodness. Up, over to the right. Thumb almost stuck. That's all right. Almost. Shoulder getting tired. Oh. Oh my. Okay, I got it. All right, so this part worked fine. This part was fine. This part was broken. Here's the new part. See how those two tabs on the bottom are not there on that one to put the pressure onto this hook so it stays in there. It says L for lousy. Oh, left, whatever. No big deal. No big deal. We're all friends. We're all friends. Let's take out these screws. Put that junk on the ground. whoever made powered wrenches is a genius. I got this from Evil Bay, $29.99. So that goes like 2 on the bottom. This goes on the bottom, putting the pressure on that. This right here, this linkage. This one goes like this, putting pressure so it stays in there and doesn't fall out, and I can unlock my door. Imagine that. And then 2 linkages in there. And then we're all done. Easy peasy lemon squeezies. Now I think the hard part is just going to be maneuvering this. How did he do it? There we go. Get this out of the way. Little red one. Little red mark on here I put to go with that red. So I know. And blue, obviously, there's no color. This right here, there's one up here. This hook has to go down here. Right in that hole. Now let's see. Roll up the window so you can get it in. Bend up the linkage so it doesn't work anymore. Come on. Okay, so this is fine. Back up, back up, back up. Thank you. You say thank you to inanimate objects, parts, whatnot. Like a glove. What I was really happy with, I didn't have to. Okay. So, red goes to the red. Who'da thunk? And then, booyah, booyakasha. This one goes push it in here. Come on, it's okay. Boom. Where's that junky one? A little shorter. Gotta work a little harder now. This one goes up top. This one goes right down here. Where's the other one? Does it have to be down or something? I wonder. Over here, put my hand all the way in. Putos. There it goes. Son of a gun. Dang it. Matthew, you are doing something right today. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. And all the moms that have to be fathers. And mothers. And the mothers and the fathers have to be fathers and mothers. All walks of life are welcome. Almost got this sucker in. Maybe I should put the top one in first, huh? Ah, there it goes. Get the Kevlar out of the way. Can't get that. Come on, Bubba. Come on, baby. You know what I think somewhat? I think I gotta put that top bolt in. It's moving too much. So I got where the heck is that one? Hand stuck almost. I'm okay. I'm okay. Don't worry. Just screw it in so it stays in place. 2 out of 3 done already. I'm listening, I need a linkage and somebody needs a leasing. Where the heck is this linkage? I have fear it's down here. Let's check. Put this back up, Bubba. Window up. Huh. Last escapade, probably. Dude, I am finding some things right now. So this goes to the lock so it stays in place. It puts some counter pressure on it. Another clip, yellow one. Oh, I don't know what that is. Looks like a burnt potato chip. Smells like WD-40. Must be good. Save it for later in case I get hungry. Alright, so I got 2 out of 4, halfway done. Not a big deal. Only took me 40 minutes. Dude, I am finding. Look at these. How many clips are in here? Take off this stinky watch. What is this? Oh, a zip tie. Factory zip tie. Save that. That's a collector. This is what gynecologists must feel like. I don't feel a baby. It could be a baby. Need a flashlight to see in there. Nope, that's a screw. Let's see if I can just finish with this one. Oh my gosh. Dang it, good job. Good. 3 out of 4 done. Not a big deal. Not pro, definitely, but... Okay, I'm all the way up in it. I should have took it to dinner, make it a little looser. Oop, shouldn't have said that on TV. And no one watches anyway. That's fine. Come on, Van Dyke. See if I got like a magnet or something, right? What do you guys think? Magnet would probably do it. This is looking good though. Almost there.
I think this is gonna be in pattern. Do you think? Oh, yep, it's in pattern. He did a pattern.
What kind of pattern?
Like a pattern. So he scored it, then he didn't score it. Then he scored it, then he
Didn't score it. Well, that sounds like a pattern to me. He's playing professional. One goes there. Nope. He beat the first challenge? Linkage. Nothing on the bottom. Nothing over here. That actuation is working. Okay, that goes there. That's with lock. So I got the lock, I have the handle working. Still trying to figure out where this one is. All right, let me get a flashlight. Hold on, everyone. Okay, good news. Not all good news, I guess. So I found this one I was looking for in here, where I was knuckle deep inside this door, which is not fun. Anyway, so I was putting this in some weird hole over here, thinking it went there. Totally wrong. I figured out it went right here, the whole lost linkage I was looking for. Everything's tightened up. A lot easier than I expected, which is great. Yeah, that's it. Like, subscribe. Hopefully this helps somebody down the road. If not, pass it on. Just help someone down the road. Alright guys, keep on trucking. Keep on keeping on. Let it rip, potato chip.